What is up, everyone? Troubleshoot Garage here, and today we're going to be doing some new headlights and side marker lights. Got a little late start on this video. Sunset looks gorgeous though. Anyways, let's get to this. So, under the bumper, you got a bunch of these little Phillip head screws. Take all these out, and just follow the hole, all this plastic all the way around. Take all those out. Come up here. Take that bolt out on both sides. And then you're able to get it off. Once you get it off, then you'll have access to each of those headlights. Okay, quick side note. All these and underneath are all 10mm bolts. So if you can find your 10mm socket, go ahead and use that. It'll be way easier than a Phillips screw. And you gotta get that out. Then behind it, you can see right there. Take that out to get the rest of the bumper off. Another side note, when I watched a YouTube video, there's a bolt around here, right? Yeah, back there. You got to get that off before you rip off the bumper and mess stuff up. Two videos I watched didn't mention anything about that. They just yanked it, pulled it out, but trust me, that bolt back there, do that so you don't mess your bumper up. So that stud there, there's a bolt there you need to take off. Of course, my fans kick on. Take that off, and there's another one up there somewhere above it that's holding in right about there. So I'll find that and try to get this bumper off. Make sure you get both of these screws off so you don't mess your bumper up. The two videos I watched don't mention anything about these two. They just yanked it off, and I don't want to mess my stuff up like I'm assuming they did. I never experienced taking off a bumper like this in my life. It is hard for no reason, just because the location. Like, so you got your bolts here, all down there, and your thumb up here. And that little SOB, pain in the butt, all right? But you're gonna have to pull your liner back, do all you can to get in there. But overall, it's off. So next, we got to take that off. I take that one off. I think there's one under here. Oh yeah, that off. So there should be only three. Do the bottom two first, and then this one. So not that one. Then that one. So you got something where it just doesn't fall immediately. You know what I mean? In case you want to reuse them or whatever, you know. Luckily, I'm not reusing them, but I don't want to mess them up in case I have to reuse them eventually. All right, and these are the headlights I am using. I got them in already. Everything's perfectly set. Like obviously I haven't adjusted the height properly yet, but it's in. It's ready to go. And I got a set of, they're Anzo brand, so it should be good. I don't know. I seen these a long time ago and look really good. Easiest thing ever. So we come over here. This is obviously the headlight that's missing. You match up the plugs where they go. And being, these are your old, ooh, that one looks a little weird. Anyway, being these are your old light bulbs, you don't need these anymore. And just pull them out like you normally do. And then you just swap the parts over. And just put it in. Bolt it up back to where it was here. There. And there. And they fit perfectly. Like, that's probably the easiest headlights to put in, but probably the hardest to get to. But besides that, it is, like I said, the easiest thing ever. And they look pretty damn good. Let's see if I can show you what they look like correctly with the lights on. And these are my low beams to get the nice halo and projector, which look really damn good. And this is with the high beams on. Same scenario. Ooh, it's bright. It just looks so good. I do have yellow fog lights. That's what that light. Oh, that's what this is. For my fog lights, they're yellow. Next thing is some clear LED side marker lights, because it'll look pretty damn good. So being my bumper is off, I decided to change these out as well, because that honestly does not look good. That's also the old one, obviously. Got this off eBay, an LED, clear, ready to get it on here. When you take it off, 10mm, push the old one out, put the new one in, and bolt it right back up. Really easy. So the new headlights are on. These are the running modes, or the daytime running lights. Looks great. Don't mind the voices in the background. All I got to do, put the bumper on. Exposure's low right now, so you really can't see anything else other than the halos. Put the bumper on, and then I'll show you all the new turn markers. And these are the side markers, headlights, in the daylight. Looks great. I am in a very different location right now, actually. But I forgot to shoot an outro with this video. I was like, what's going on? Yeah, I forgot to shoot an outro. So this is my quick outro. Looks fantabulous. Anyways, I appreciate y'all watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later.